Hi, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. And if it's your first time, welcome. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make this Italian-American classic. It originated out of Chicago, and it's called Chicken Vesuvio. All right, let's get cooking.
Next time I go to Sam's, I'm going to buy you a gallon size.
A pepper?
Yeah.
So what you're doing?
Let me turn these off. Shut up, you. So let me crack in your head on your last day. You're going to salt and pepper these? Go. Let's hope it's not too hot. Pour the olive oil in there so it doesn't burn. You don't want to cook them all the way, just get them nice and brown. I'll fit it in there.
All right, now we're going to put some salt and pepper on the bottom side. I'm out of pepper, but there's plenty of pepper on the other side.
Just going to see how they're browning. I'm going to take them out now. They're ready. Cook them about maybe 4 minutes on each side, because we're going to roast them in the oven too for like an hour or so, 45 minutes or an hour. Okay, we're going to use the same oil to fry our Yukon Gold potatoes. I'm going to cut them in wedges. I'll go across the stove. Okay, we're going to put these off to the side. Let me get this a little warmed up, and then we're going to cut our potatoes. I'm going to cut your pingar off, man. All right, we're going to cut these up in wedges, and then we're going to fry them. Well, close to wedges.
I'm just glad it's not me.
And the potatoes are clean already, so if anybody says I didn't clean the potatoes, look again. Some schmuck told me I need to wear gloves when I cook.
Fry them up. I can move. What all are you putting with the potatoes?
Inside the chicken, we're going to have pearl onions, chicken stock, little white wine, garlic, lemon, fresh lemon, and peas.
You're a danger in the kitchen.
Oh, you should ask my waitresses and waiters, especially the waiters. I destroyed them at the restaurant. Nah, I had a good crew at Daddy Jack's. My guys, some of them were with me for almost 20 years. A lot of them, actually. I still keep in touch with most of them. So I'm going to show you guys how to make potatoes au gratin. Ooh. Well, not today, but... See how nice and brown those are? That's how you want them. Paul, you remember when I first came here? I cut the tip of my finger off on the slicer. Cutting the sausages. Oh, we used to cut our own pepperoni for pizza, and sausage, and slice meatballs for the pizza. Now they use that hamburger crumble, which is not even meat. It's disgusting that all those crappy pizza places use. Like I said, you just want to brown these.
They're all ready.
Well, they're ready to go in the oven. Those are good, huh, Sean?
Oh, yeah.
I usually make steak fries just like this when I'm doing steak.
Alrighty.
Okay. Ooh, did I get you?
Yeah, a little bit, but okay.
That's why I never wear shorts in the kitchen, man.
I made a mistake.
Like Jack, my daddy Jack, my friend Jack Chaplin, he used to, Jack, that's all Jack wore was shorts? chef, you know, chef pants with the stripes, shorts, socks, and Birkenstock shoes. That's how we did it, Jack. That's all he wore was the Birkenstocks. And I'm advertising for Birkenstock, so if you want to send me a couple of dozen pairs of shoes, do it. All right, this is ready. Okay, guys, we're gonna make our sauce. We're gonna use the same pan. A little more olive oil. Oops, sorry, Sean. Some butter. I'm gonna salt these potatoes a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna throw just the whole cloves of garlic in there when they're nice and brown.
Lots of garlic butter.
All right, we're ready. Okay, I'm gonna put in a little white wine. Paul's gonna have some mess to clean up. That'll burn off fast. I'll put a little more in there. Cool it down. All right, now we're gonna add our chicken stock. Yeah, I'm gonna put those in. Gotta make enough to fill up that pan with all of this. And let that get hot. Put some butter in there. It'll help thicken it up a little bit. And if it's too thin, I'll just put a pinch of flour in there. Butter makes everything taste good.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this in the potatoes in here because I'm going to put the chicken on top and then the sauce, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven. Put a little flour in there. We're gonna lay our chicken on top of the potatoes. All right, we're gonna put our pearl onions in here. Everybody likes pearl onions. Oh, I lost one. All right, we're gonna put this right on top now.
Yum, yum.
Yeah. And then we also have some peas that we're gonna put in like about 10 minutes before it's ready. Now we're just gonna put this right in the oven for about 450. I don't know, for about 45 minutes. Hold on.
Oh, baby dip oregano on that.
I forgot my oregano. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put some parsley in here, and then I'm gonna put our peas in there and put this back in the oven for about 15 more minutes.
Look at that. Looks delicious.
We put them in the peas in last because we don't want them to lose their color.
My canned peas.
This pan weighs 25 pounds.
I'm sure it does. All right, we'll be back.
Ready?
Yeah. Get out of the way, man.
This is beautiful.
Wow. Look at that.
Chicken Vesuvio. Oh man, this smells unbelievable. Oh man, look at that chicken. It's coming right off the bone. I can feel it. And those potatoes are very tender. All right, we'll start off with that right there. Get some of this beautiful juice on there with potatoes.
Get some more peas off there too.
Yeah. All right, let's eat. All right, I'm going to run the camera while they do the tasting. This is Sean's last video.
Bye, everybody.
We actually done a video earlier. Anyway, we have a couple of guests today. We have Jason Kirkpatrick, my brother-in-law, and his friend Dorjan, and of course you know Chef Dom. All right, they're gonna go ahead and do the tasting, and then we'll see how it came out.
So I would just take this.
That
right there.
chicken's good.
And this is thigh or breast? Thigh.
That's chicken thighs.
Really good chicken.
Look at that, beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So how is it?
How was it, Dom?
I haven't eaten yet, but I already know it's good.
How is it,
Excellent.
Dorjan?
Excellent.
All right.
I feel like it needs a little black pepper, but that's fine.
Wise guy. Anyway, hey, we appreciate the subscribers.
Thank you.
We are almost at 70,000 subscribers. We're shooting for 100. That's our short-term goal. We appreciate you guys. And for those of you who purchased our cookbook, we appreciate it very much.
Hey, we're gonna get an apron like Dom.
Oh, yeah, you can get it at
cooking.
BrooklynBrothersCooking.com.
All right.
You get shirts, an autographed copy of a book, and oh, I don't want to forget this. This is a beautiful cake that my wife Jerry Lee made for Sean. It's one of his favorite cakes, chocolate. Anyway, we'll see you guys soon. Take care.
How much butter?
I got